Men over 60? What if I told you that a 3,000-year-old formula could naturally boost your testosterone levels in just 21 days? This ancient combination of dates and honey has been used by warriors and kings throughout history, and modern science is now proving why it works. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to prepare this powerful remedy and when to take it for maximum results. I'm Dr. Olivia Parker, a urologist specializing in men's health, and today we're diving into one of nature's most powerful testosterone-boosting combinations. This isn't just folklore. Recent studies have shown that specific compounds in dates and honey work synergistically to support healthy testosterone production, especially in men over 60. Let's talk about what's really happening in your body after 60. Testosterone levels naturally decline by about 1 to 2% per year after age 30. By the time you reach 60, you might be experiencing decreased energy and motivation, reduced muscle mass, and increased body fat, lower libido, and sexual performance issues, brain fog and difficulty concentrating, and mood changes and irritability. But here's what most men don't realize. This decline isn't inevitable. Your body still has the capacity to produce testosterone efficiently, but it needs the right raw materials and nutritional support. And that's exactly where this ancient formula comes in. The problem with modern approaches is that they're either expensive, come with side effects, or simply don't address the root cause. This natural combination works differently. It provides your body with specific nutrients that support your own testosterone production system. So what makes dates and honey so special? Let's break down this powerful combination. First, let's talk about dates. Dates are nutritional powerhouses containing boron, a trace mineral that's been shown to increase free testosterone levels by up to 28% in just 1 week. They also contain vitamin B6, which is essential for testosterone synthesis, natural sugars that provide sustained energy without blood sugar spikes, and magnesium, which supports over 300 enzymatic reactions, including hormone production. Ancient warriors in the Middle East consumed dates before battle for strength and stamina. Now we know why. The specific nutrient profile directly supports male hormone production. Now, raw honey. Raw, unprocessed honey contains boron. Yes, the same testosterone-boosting mineral found in dates, creating a synergistic effect. It also has chrysin, a natural flavonoid that may help prevent testosterone from converting to estrogen, B vitamins that support energy metabolism, and nitric oxide precursors that improve blood flow. But here's the critical part. It must be raw, unprocessed honey. Processed honey has been heated, destroying many of these beneficial compounds. Look for honey that's cloudy or crystallized. That's a good sign it's raw and retains its nutritional power. You might be thinking, this sounds too simple. But let me share what the research actually shows. A study published in the Journal of the American College of Nutrition found that boron supplementation increased free testosterone by 28.3% in healthy males within just 1 week. Both dates and honey are rich natural sources of boron. Another study in the Asian Journal of Andrology demonstrated that honey consumption improved testosterone levels and sperm quality in men with fertility issues. The key is the synergistic effect. When you combine dates and honey, you're getting double the boron content for maximum testosterone support, complementary B vitamins that work together, natural sugars that provide energy for hormone synthesis, and antioxidants that protect your testosterone-producing cells from oxidative stress. Think of it this way: your body is like a factory producing testosterone. Dates and honey provide the raw materials and protect the machinery. It's that simple and that powerful. Now let's get practical. Here's exactly how to prepare and use this ancient formula. You'll need 5 to 7 medjool dates, or 8 to 10 smaller dates like deglet nor, 2 tablespoons of raw, unprocessed honey, and optionally, 1 tablespoon of raw almond butter for additional healthy fats. To prepare, remove the pits from your dates and place them in a small bowl. Add the raw honey, and if using, add almond butter. Mash everything together with a fork until you have a paste-like consistency, then store in an airtight glass container in the refrigerator. Take 1 to 2 tablespoons of this mixture every morning, 30 minutes before breakfast. Why before breakfast? Because your testosterone production is naturally highest in the morning, and this timing supports that natural rhythm. You can eat it directly from the spoon, spread it on whole grain toast, mix it into Greek yogurt, or add it to your morning oatmeal. Here are some important tips. Use organic dates when possible. They have higher nutrient density. Never heat this mixture because heat destroys the beneficial enzymes in raw honey. Consistency is key. Use this daily for at least 21 days to see results. One batch typically lasts 5 to 7 days when refrigerated. This formula is powerful. But let's talk about how to maximize your results. Combine it with resistance training. Just 30 minutes of strength training 3 times per week can boost testosterone by 15 to 20%. The dates and honey provide the energy and nutrients to fuel these workouts. Focus on quality sleep and aim for 7 to 8 hours per night. Most testosterone production happens during deep sleep, and the magnesium in dates actually supports better sleep quality. Manage your stress because chronic stress produces cortisol, which directly suppresses testosterone. The natural sugars in this formula help stabilize blood sugar, reducing stress on your body. Ensure you're getting adequate protein, 0.8 to 1 gram per pound of body weight. Testosterone needs protein to build muscle effectively. What should you expect? In weeks 1 to 2, you'll notice improved energy levels and better sleep. By weeks 3 to 4, you'll experience enhanced mood and mental clarity. Weeks 4 to 6 bring increased libido and sexual function. And by weeks 6 to 8, you'll see noticeable improvements in muscle tone and body composition. Remember, this isn't a quick fix. It's supporting your body's natural processes. Give it time to work. So there you have it, the ancient formula of dates and honey for natural testosterone support in men over 60. This simple, affordable remedy has stood the test of time for a reason. Start tomorrow morning. Get your raw honey and quality dates today. Prepare your first batch tonight, and begin your 21-day journey to naturally optimize testosterone levels. If you found this valuable, hit that like button and subscribe to this channel for more evidence-based men's health solutions. Drop a comment below and let me know. Have you tried dates and honey before? What results did you experience? And here's your next step. Check out my video on watermelon and dark chocolate for testosterone, another powerful natural combination that works synergistically with what we discussed today. Remember, gentlemen, aging doesn't mean declining. With the right knowledge and natural support, you can maintain optimal hormone health well into your later years. This is Dr. Olivia Parker, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay strong, stay healthy.